Hair oil has nothing to do with your hair fall or your hair growth. These two are the major factors responsible for your hair loss in more than 90% of the people. If you use this hair oil, so not only your hair fall stops, but your hair will start regrowing. This is the usual ad given by most of the hair oil companies. But precisely speaking, it may benefit only 10% of the people in whom the hair fall is either due to dandruff or fungal infections. So, but in majority of the people, that is in more than 90% of the people, these hair oils doesn't work. There are two major causes which contribute for more than 90% of the hair loss. So first one is iron deficiency. Iron, which is there in us in the form of hemoglobin, carries oxygen to every cell. So this is hair. It has got a shaft, which is nothing but the exposed part, and it has got a root, which is the concealed part. The root is tightly held within the skin by hair follicle. The hair follicle tightly holds the root of the hair. The oxygen which our hair follicles get from the capillaries will keep these hair follicles healthy and help them to hold the hair root tightly. So in case of iron deficiency, there will be lack of oxygen. So insufficient oxygen make these cells weak and lose control over the hair root. So because of this, even a slight force applied over the scalp like combing and bathing will cause hair loss. The intensity of hair fall depends upon the severity of the iron deficiency. Less the iron, more will be the hair fall, and more the iron, less will be the hair fall. The second major factor which is responsible for hair loss is stress. Stress causes release of hormone called cortisol. This cortisol produces inflammation. This inflammation causes irritation of the cells including our hair follicles. When there is a sustained stress, there will be sustained release of cortisol. This sustained cortisol causes sustained irritation of the follicles, and this will make these hair follicles lose control over the hair root, and eventually this will result in hair fall as well as suppression of the hair regrowth. If you have hair fall, then check your hemoglobin level. If it is low, then you need to take iron supplements at least for 3 months. So along with this, you need to take a balanced food. This balancing the food is equally important as it promotes the iron absorption. If you have stress, then you must reduce your stress by regular meditation and exercise. So correcting these two factors will definitely prevent hair loss by 90%. Just application of hair oil will have a soothing effect on your hair surface, and it has nothing to do with your hair loss or hair regrowth. Thank you. Be happy. Stay healthy. Namaste.